Hello, reception class, and welcome to Monday's English lesson. For today's lesson, you will need a pencil. You will need this sheet which says Tom and the Island of the Dinosaurs at the top and my prediction. But if you don't have your pack or your sheet yet, then don't worry, you can just do that on a piece of paper. And that's it for today. So if you just want to pause me and get those two things ready, please. Right, reception. This week we're going to be starting a new book, and it is a fiction storybook this week. And this is the book that we are going to be reading, but we're not going to read any of it today. We are just going to look at the front cover, and this is what we call the front cover of a book. Can anybody remember what information, what things we find on the front cover of a book? Just pause me and have a think. That's right, reception class. On the front cover of the book, we find the title. So that's the name of the book, what the story is called. And we also find the author. And the author is the person who wrote the story. And we sometimes have the illustrator's name too. And the illustrator is the person that draws the lovely pictures in the book. So can you help me read the title together? The title of the book we're going to be reading is T-O-M. T-O-M. That's right, Tom. And. And. Then we've got a tricky word there. So Tom and the Island of Dinosaurs. And the author is a man called Ian Beck. Now, today, reception, we're not going to read any of the book. We're going to do what's called some predicting. So I want you to look carefully at the picture on this front cover and see if you can have a little guess about what you think the story is going to be about. So our clues are the different things that we can see on the front cover. So just pause me now and just look carefully at the front cover. Just think, what different things can you see? That's right, reception class, we've got a volcano, and we started to learn a little bit about volcanoes last week, didn't we? We have got a hot air balloon, and it does look like the volcano is erupting, doesn't it? We've got a hot air balloon, and we can see if we look closely, there's somebody in the hot air balloon, isn't there? And this we know must be an island because the book is called Tom and the Island of Dinosaurs. And then, if we look closely, we can also see two dinosaurs here, can't we? So using those clues, I want you to have a little think about what you think is going to happen in this book. Then I want you to draw a picture to show what you think is going to happen and then write a sentence about it. And I'm not going to do mine because I think then you might steal my ideas and we don't want that. So your challenge today, draw a picture of what you think is going to happen in the book using the clues from the front cover, then write a sentence about your guess. Okay, so if you have a go at that, if you send a photo, take a photo of your work and send it in to me on Seesaw, I would love to see. And then we'll start to read the book tomorrow, so we'll see if any of your predictions, your guesses are correct. And that is all for today's English lesson. So well done for working so hard. Give yourself a big thumbs up. And I will see you in our English lesson tomorrow. Bye, reception class.